Okay, good morning, guys. Today I'm going to make an anti-dandruff and fungal remover from the scalp. So I'm going to let you guys know what I got here. I got grounded cinnamon. Here I have turmeric. Here I have peppermint. In this one I have onion oil. Here I have orange zest with glycerin and a food preservative. And here that is the secret sauce. There is the beeswax. And then here, guys, so I changed up the recipe because my son was like, Mom, my head, the stuff that you gave me, is not giving me the oils that I needed. You know, it kind of helps a little bit, but it dries up real quick because I was putting shea butter in there, guys. So if you got somebody with severe dandruff and itchy scalp, take out the shea butter out of your mix because the shea butter is going to make their hair dry quicker. So this is coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, and a little bit of tea tree oil. So I took the dry shea butter out, guys. So I'm going to mix this up, and this is going to help with that dandruff and kill the fungus in the scalp. So I'm going to mix everything up. Just wanted to bring this to you guys' attention. So if you're going to do an anti-dandruff, guys, take out the shea butter, especially if they got real dry scalp. So if you guys see, I'm going to go ahead and put my beeswax in there. I'm going to go ahead and put my grounded cinnamon in there. Turmeric is really good for dandruff in the scalp, guys. Everything I'm telling you guys, look it up. Cinnamon helps stimulate the hair follicles and help it to, remove some of that dandruff. So all this stuff that I'm telling you guys, look it up and you will see the benefits from it. This right here is onion juice with almond oil. Get the onion juice out with the almond oil. Onions is really, really good. And it should help kill that fungus in the scalp, guys. This is my secret sauce. And the last, guys, the onion zest with the food preservative, I'm not going to put that in until it is at the recommended temperature because I don't want to kill the orange zest, guys. I want that to be potent in this. So this is more like a hair grease. Like, yeah, he don't really like the creams and stuff. They don't do him justice. So once this wind up heating all the way up, I'll put the orange zest in right before I get ready to put it in the refrigerator. All right, guys. So this is a great anti-dandruff conditioning grease. And I took out the shea butter because we don't want it to be dry. We need more oils. Thank you. All right, so if you guys see, I want to mix it. At first I was going to use the cheesecloth and drain out all the benefits. No, he need all of these benefits in there. So I'm going to beat it up and make it into like a cream hair conditioning. And this one you don't have to wash out. So I was going to do it as a grease, but he needs all these benefits. So you just making sure it's blended well. Okay, guys, so it is all blended up and done. I'm going to put it in this jar, and it is going to become solid. And it is all ready. And I will put it in the mail for him on Tuesday. And this will help with that itchy scalp, dandruff, all that fungus. It will. This is designed to try to kill it. And he do not have to wash it out. Alrighty, guys. So you guys have a awesome, awesome day. Bye-bye. Okay, guys. So I'm going to do a tester on the skin. So if you guys see, I have it right here, guys. And when you put it on the skin, it but it's like it's for your scalp. But I just want to show you guys it goes in really, really good. So here, baby, rub this in really, really good. And with the peppermint and the tea tree oil and the turmeric and all that stuff is going down and it's removing that dead skin, the fungus from the scalp, that onion juice, all that, guys. And like I said, I did put a preservative in it. So he's not going to have to worry about it going bad. And the zest from the oranges, guys, that zest is going to give it a nice orangey smell. So no, you do not smell the onions in this recipe at all. But if you guys see, it's going to go in his scalp and it's not leaving any residue and the castor oil, all that. So, and then I do have the secret sauce in there, guys. So that's the only thing that I don't reveal to you guys, because that's, you know, it's my bread and butter. But anyway, you see how it goes into the skin, and when you smell it, it's not overpowering. You know, I suffer aid and all those type of things. It's not overpowering at all. You can have this on your scalp and not, that Medicaid smell. All right, thanks, guys. Bye bye. It actually smells like the citrus more and the peppermint. All right, guys. Bye bye. Okay, guys, so there is different screenshots of what cinnamon does, what onion does, what the orange zest does for dandruff, what tea tree does for dandruff. So, guys, you can always, anything I tell you, you can look it up, the different oils that is great for dandruff and try to kill the fungus, guys. So I always look up recipes before I just make them and present them to you. Thank you guys so much. You guys have an awesome day and try this recipe. Bye-bye.